when wanting to start using Microsoft Office, you can begin by coming to your Start menu. And once you're under your Start menu, you can choose All Programs. And then you can search for Microsoft Office, which will include all the programs up under the particular suite that you have available under this drop-down menu. So here you can actually select any of the programs to enter, and entering in and exiting out all of these programs are basically the same, but I want to show some more common navigation functions within the programs. So I'm going to choose just a random program here. I'll choose PowerPoint, and you'll click to enter whichever program it is that you want to use. And I'm going to start by showing you what is called the Microsoft Office Fluent User Interface. Part of this interface includes this button here, which is actually called the Microsoft Office button. This button houses or is the central location of most common system and file commands. So basically anything that you want to do with your document, if you want to create a new one, or if you want to open an existing, if you want to save, print, send, publish to the web, all those options are going to be located under this one particular button. And for those of us that have experience using older versions of Microsoft Office, you can remember how some of these options were listed under different tabs within the program. So now they have decided to make it easier and include all of these under this one button. So across all of the programs, you will have this Microsoft Office button. And you can just click to close. The next item I'm going to talk about is the ribbon. The ribbon is a device that presents commands organized into a set of tabs. The tabs actually display commands that are relevant to the task that you're trying to do. So here we have a blank slide, and I'm just going to click here. And because I've clicked into an actual text box, notice how my ribbon here has changed. Prior to me selecting that, some of these items are grayed out, but once I actually click into it, you'll see that I can make changes to my font size, my alignment, and things like that. So the ribbon, once again, has functions according to what it is that you're trying to do. But you also have what these are actually called the contextual tabs. And based upon also anything else that you're trying to do, these also work kind of the same way. So if I were to choose the Insert tab, I now have my options of what I can actually insert into this box, which would be pictures, clip art, photo album. I can actually even do movie or sound. So I'm just going to choose a picture and insert a random picture here. And once I've inserted that picture, now if you take a look at the ribbon, you'll notice that it's changed again. And the options within the ribbon, once again, are customized towards what it is that I'm actually doing with my document at the time. The only other thing that I want to point out that is pretty much universal across the programs, of course, is your menu or title bar. And it includes the name of the program that you're working within and the name of the document that you're in. So again, that's the Microsoft Office button here. You have your ribbon here and your contextual tabs here. So all of these things actually remain the same across the entire Microsoft Office suite.